Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about AMP coin price prediction and AMP coin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for AMP coin in 2022. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Flexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed in order to support value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. Bitcoin winter is ending, and next bull run will extend till 2025, predicts Lemeru president. Yves Lemeru, the president of macroeconomic research company Lemeru & Company, believes that the recent Bitcoin price correction is part of a winter season that has come to an end. In an interview with MarketWatch published on May 26, Lemeru projected that Bitcoin is about to embark on another rally that will culminate in the asset hitting a value of $100,000 by the end of 2023. He believes that the rally will run until 2025. He noted that the next turning point in Bitcoin's price will be the halving event scheduled for 2024. According to Lemeru, with decreased Bitcoin supply, the asset would mirror historical price movement where it will appreciate. I'm not giving a major buy signal, I'm just saying, yes, you can start to buy a little bit. Hovering at $30,000 and off more than 55% from a record high of $68,990 in November 2021, Bitcoin meets much of his criteria to exit a bear market, he said. Investing with caution, the executive advised that investors should buy the asset in small portions because the future of crypto market is shaky. Interestingly, Lemeru was previously skeptical about Bitcoin's prospects, while advising investors to approach the asset cautiously. So next news. JPMorgan drops real estate for crypto, says Bitcoin trading at 30% discount. While public markets already price in significant recession risks, and digital assets have repriced significantly following the collapse of Terros, some alternative assets such as private equity, private debt and real estate appear to have lagged somewhat, is said. We thus replace real estate with digital assets as our preferred alternative asset class. However, the bank strategists downgraded alternative investments, those type of assets outside of stocks, bonds or cash, to underweight from overweight, citing the continuing macroeconomic difficulties. JPMorgan expects returns from alternative assets such as cryptocurrency to come in at 10% over the next year. That compares with a return of 12% for traditional assets. Bitcoin 30% undervalued, says JPMorgan, although the market was still reeling from the recent sell-off. Panagiotsoglu and his team are confident Bitcoin will soon rally. The strategists maintain that Bitcoin's fair value is $38,000, based on its volatility ratio to gold. This means that at the current price of around $29,600, BTC is trading at a discount of nearly 30%. They said. The past month's crypto market correction looks more like capitulation relative to last Jan-February, and going forward, we see upside for Bitcoin in crypto markets more generally. JPMorgan strategists sounded bullish on the future of the crypto industry, just as long as venture capital funding kept flowing. They stated that the trajectory for VC funding would be crucial in helping the crypto market to avoid the long winter of 2018-2019. To their point, venture capital firm Andreessen Horowitz announced that it would inject $4.5 billion into crypto startups to capitalize on the market downturn. The value should naturally increase. MetaHero was down by over 6%, trading at 6 cents, with a current market cap of $660 million. Everdome is a new metaverse project that was launched recently. The project aims to create the most hyper-realistic verse that will bring brands and people together, all with the intent of building the highest quality Web3 experience. Let's take a look at the near future of AMP coin, but before diving into AMP price prediction and discussing the numbers that might bore you for no reason, let's talk about AMP's history and background on the market, and how it helps the blockchain solve its problems. Is AMP a good investment? How much will AMP cost in 2025, or how much will AMP cost in the next 10 years? AMP rate prediction 2022. The value of AMP will continue to rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2022 is bullish. AMP is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.037 by the end of 2022, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of AMP will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of AMP will be between $0.031 and $0.032 expected in 2022 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of AMP ranges from $0.031 to $0.037 for 2022. AMP rate prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, AMP prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $0.045. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that AMP's maximum price could be up to $0.053 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. AMP rate prediction 2024. AMP has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in AMP, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.076. AMP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.066, a minimum price of $0.064, and a maximum price of $0.076. AMP rate prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of AMP will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.094, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2025. AMP rate prediction 2026. For a long-term forecast of the AMP price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average AMP price will rise to around 13 cents by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 16 cents with a minimum price level 13 cents. AMP rate prediction 2027. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. AMP could cross 22 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2027. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2027 will be around 18 cents. AMP rate prediction 2028. AMP will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the AMP rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2028, the AMP rate will be almost 26 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 30 cents. AMP the average price forecast for the end of 2028 could be around 27 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.